Today, I want to raise a very serious and interesting question. What if Charles Darwin, who we are knowing through the theory of evolution and Gregor Mendel, who is known as the father of genetics, had met? Yes, they could have because they were in the same period of time. Darwin 1809 to 1882 and Mendel 1822 to 1884. 60 years overlapping. They could have met. And interestingly, the Darwin was having a library. In the library, he was having a book having reference of Mendel, but he didn't read it, obviously because of some reason. And Mendel knew Darwin's book, Origin of Species, because his finding on the genetics was published after 7 years of book. So he knew that. He knew just that Mendel have some experiment, but he didn't read that. And Darwin explained how evolution happened, natural selection, and Mendel worked on how inheritance work. I mean, genes, dominance, segregation. Obviously, he didn't know exactly, but know exactly how the things happen. So, in case of the Darwin, he didn't know how traits were inherited, and Mendel didn't know how to apply this to evolution. And in the modern evolutionary theory now, these things are merged. But still, question is there: what if they had met personally? The thing would have totally different or very different. We would have probably more advanced knowledge of evolutions and genetics. But it's very interesting question.